okay, if we don't have English partner, we have mobile phone. In that mobile phone, there are a lot of applications out there like Ace Fluency, CV, Duolingo, lot of free applications are there. So first we will start making conversation with those co-learners. Then everything will happen. Our thought process is everything. We want to focus on positive things to attract all positive things in our life. It is my personal experience.
Hi Priya, how are you?
Hi Sarla, I'm doing great and thank you for asking. And what about you?
I'm doing fantastic. So first of all, thank you so much for accepting my invitation. And I'm very happy because when I saw your videos, I can see the energy while you are explaining to the audience, and also you're motivating the people very well. I liked very much. When I saw some of your videos, I'm really much inspired and also very excited to talk with you.
Wow, thank you so much for your beautiful words. This means a lot to me.
Yes, yes. So, how was your day?
Yeah, it's pretty good. Today I have college, so I had
Yeah.
a lot of time with my friends. Some practical examinations are going on. It's okay, fine, not bad.
Yeah.
And what about you? Did you have
It's
yesterday?
yeah, as usual. My day is also same as usual. So I saw some of your vlogs also with your friends.
Yes.
So I'm yes, mostly I like to watch vlogs. I'm very much excited to watch vlogs and also podcasts. So before we start our conversation, could you please introduce about yourself to my subscribers?
Yeah, why not? Yes. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself, especially for your subscribers. Yeah, as you already know my name, I'm Priya. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I'm a college going student. I'm doing my graduation on final year, especially in the stream of BA English Literature. So I have a YouTube channel called Priya's English World where I can post spoken English related content videos. You know, one thing I'm so passionate about learning this language because I'm studying BA English Literature. Even though I am an English Literature student, I'm struggling with lack of English environment because I'm studying in Government Arts and Science College where we cannot find any English environment too. But I'm just determined. I'm not going to give any excuses for it. So we will do. We can do everything now. So we can do it. So I'm so excited and glad to meet you here that we are having this conversation after long strugglings and network issues as well. So I'm so happy and thank you so much for this wonderful point of view to introduce myself to. And let me know about yourself too.
Yes, sure. Hi Priya, my name is Sarla. I'm from the state of Andhra Pradesh. I'm currently living in Kodmur, which is in Kurnool district. I'm currently pursuing my final year graduation with BSc Computers. And coming to my hobbies, in my spare time, I love to listen to music and spending time with my family members and listen to podcasts and reading some books. So this is all about me. That's it. Thank you so much.
Great to hear.
So what are your hobbies? I think you like to read books, right?
Yes, you are absolutely right.
So which kind of books you like the most?
Yeah, I like to read non-fiction books related to law of attraction, secret, gratitude, self-improvement books. That's
So
my favorite thing. When it comes to novel, something means that is not my cup of tea. Even I am a literature student, I don't like to read novels, some fictions like that. But when it comes to self-help books, I really loved it.
yes, yes, of course. I think you and me have the similar thoughts. When I saw your videos, so I think that everybody have the same situations, right? When they are improving their English, everyone started their struggle. So I have their everyone have the same similarities to express themselves, and I think that they are motivated themselves and also improve themselves. So I think this is the best platform to connect with the people and also new people. I'm especially very much excited because I'm an introvert. So I'm not that much of excited to meet new people. So when I started this YouTube channel, I'm very much introvert person, but some days I improved myself and I become an extrovert. I meet some of the people, and I learned a lot from them. So this is really a good platform to express ourselves and overcome nervousness, fear, and everything.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. And as you mentioned that you are an introvert person, even I too, we are on the same boat. But when it comes to English language, interacting with people, making communication, in that time we'll become extrovert. When
Yes.
it comes to real life, making conversation with strangers, in that time we'll become introvert. Might
Yes.
happen in my life too.
Yes. So how did you started your English journey? So who inspired you?
Actually, I think no one inspired me, but from my childhood, I have the burning desire in my heart. I didn't know the reason even still now. A lot of people have asked me who inspired you like that, but I didn't have any inspiration in my heart, but I love to speak in English. So my ambition is to become an eloquent speaker in English, like a public speaker, orator. I just visualize myself as like that place. Oh, I want to be like them. So when it comes to normal English language, we have inspired by a lot of YouTubers, especially who are speaking native native language or good English when they are expressing themselves in English like such so much of things are there. I loved it. So in that time I thought I want to be like them. I want to speak like them. So if I express my ideas in English, people would understand because people from various states can understand English because it is a globalized language, isn't it? So that's the main thing. If I want to express my ideas to other people's like positive thoughts, anything in my mind, I want to be fluent in English. So that's the main thing. Right now, I'm just continuing my journey.
Yeah, what you said is absolutely true, because when we are even I also do the same thing when in my beginning stage. I think I learned this language for myself, so I motivated myself, nobody motivated me. Especially I like to watch and also listen podcasts and motivated speeches. So because I always imagine myself when they are standing on the stage and they are explaining themselves, they are motivated themselves, and some people are also have the motivated story behind them, so they are expressing right in TED talks. I'm very much impressed, and also I want to be like them, so I also imagine myself each and every single time. So I think maybe, so I wish that definitely we will become a good and fluent speaker very soon. I hope for that.
Wow, thank you for the sweet word. Yes, I too have that hope.
Yes, yes, of course. And do you have any favorite movies? You like movies, and also any podcast or any kind of funny manner things you have like the most?
Okay, when it comes to a funny part, before telling that, I would like to mention here that most of the people ask this question. Did you watch any movies, especially English movies, to improve your English fluency like that? But when it comes to me, watching movies is not my cup of tea. I hate
Oh,
movies. Even in my native language too. I did not watch any movies. I'm not fond of it. Like that, I usually think. But apart from that, I love to listen or watch some videos from YouTube in English. Okay, like TED Talks, as you already mentioned, TED Talks. No, so TED Talks is so beautiful. So that itself, we came to know that how people are strong, how they are achieve their dreams after a lot of struggles and obstacles like that. So it inspires us a lot. But there is one drawback, which is right now we are just watching the TED Talks. But when it comes to me, when I was a beginner, I did not understand their slang because they speak like native speaker. So it is
yeah.
hard to understand it. But the point, the things they are sharing, the experience, it's so motivating. So I keep on watching that, and I do imagine that even we also become like them. We want to stand in front of 1,000 people and want to deliver a speech with so much of confidence, and someone want to get inspired by us, like
Yes,
you
yes.
and it no. So like it is, we both are traveling in a same boat. I'm so excited that we are talking like a friendly conversation, even though we are strangers. We are meeting for first time. I'm
Yeah,
so
yeah.
happy.
I too. And when it comes to speaking in English, I think a lot of people are also struggling because they are thinking that how we can start this language. And I think a lot of people have this point. I think, in my opinion, we have our mobile phone in our hands, and the whole world in our hands, that is mobile, and we do a lot of things with it. But what I suggest the people, and who, what you can suggest them, so how they can utilize this mobile phone.
Yeah, when it comes to mobile phone, yes, we have the whole universe world in our hand, but at the same time, that is have a lot of disadvantages too. As we are youngsters, as we are students, so we have a lot of distraction while we are using the mobile phone. So
Yeah, yeah.
mindset determines everything. You
Yes.
already know how our friends are get addicted to Instagram reels, YouTube
Yeah.
shorts. Yeah, it just ruined ourselves, especially when it comes to our mindset. So we have to control our mind and we have to utilize the time in a proper and perfect manner to achieve our goals. So when it comes to English, I would suggest, yes, YouTube is one of the best resources that everyone have, because we will not pay any money for watching YouTube videos. Everything is available for free. Ample of resources are available for free in front of our eyes. But we are not just allotting the time to improve ourselves. If we use those times in a perfect manner, definitely we will achieve our fluency when it comes to watching videos in English, consuming a lot of content in English. I'm not suggesting you, if you are a beginner, start watching native speaker. No, it's hard for you to understand those language. If you're a beginner, just watch some YouTubers who are learning, who are just teaching English. If you like their accent, just follow them. That's it. Simple.
Of
Listen, practice, keep maintaining the persistence, and consistency is a key. So English will become easy.
Yeah, what you said is true. And dedication, when we are learning something, we need to put a lot of dedication and consistency. You mentioned really, really well. And I think in my area also, a lot of people said this thing, which is, I don't have anyone to speak this language. So I think this is a lot of members' problems. But I think when we have a problem, there is a solution. So but we are not searching about the solution, how we can uh, solve that problem. We have to think about it first, but we are not thinking about it. We are just seeing like that is a drawback.
Yes, absolutely. When you said that, a lot of people are ready to criticize, saying
Yeah,
excuses about their journey only, because they are only focusing on the problems and excuses. As I already mentioned you, I am a non-fictional books reader, especially when it comes to law of attraction thought process. What we are thinking, what we are focusing on, that will multiply and will come to us in abundant manner. So if we focus on problem that I don't have English environment, I don't have English partner, it will multiply for 100 times. If we
yeah,
focus, okay, if we don't have English partner, we have mobile phone. In that mobile phone there are a lot of applications out there, like Ace Fluency, CV, Duolingo. Lot of free applications are there. So first we will start making conversation with those co-learners, then everything will happen. Our thought process is everything. We want to focus on positive things to attract all positive things in our life. It is my personal experience.
yeah, yeah, true. That was a beautiful suggestion to my subscribers. And one more thing, I like Tamil very much. I have the same habit. When it comes to journaling, I'm very much happy because I'm improving my writing skills also.
Yeah.
So when I started actually, I started my journaling 1 year back. So now I'm improving the tips you are giving. And also, I learned a lot from you, because when you are mentioning some tips, and I also thinking that yes, this is also a great way of improving our English. So those are really, really beautiful tips to my subscribers and to my viewers. And I would love to interact with you when it comes to when I giving, and also when I send a message for you in mail. So I think that I have to speak this girl anyway. So I thought like that, but finally today is happening. So I'm very honored.
Wow, I'm so happy to hear this. I'm on cloud nine because one of the person who inspired from me, it's really a beautiful thing. This is the first time I'm hearing one of the YouTuber just telling like that, you are my inspiration. So I'm so glad. So year after, I'm going to work on myself. If I want to be example for other people, other persons means we have to work hard, ready to work hard. So thank you
Yeah.
so much.
Okay. It was nice talking with you, and also I would love to connect with more and more conversations with you and stay connected.
Yeah, sure. In our future, we will do more conversation for beginners, intermediate levels, according to various types like pronunciation, vocabulary, enrichment, so various topics very soon. So I wish you all the very best for your college exam that you are going to face in your nowadays.
Yeah. Thank you
So
so much. You too.
take a
And have a beautiful life, and also you can achieve your fluency and become a good and fluent speaker. So I'm also very happy for that, and I'm also hoping for the best. And thank you so much for being in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, Priya,
yeah,
and have a
thanks.
great
No words to describe my gratitude for you. I'm so excited.
have a great day.